Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. I'm here with one of my lovely clients. Her name's Hayley. Hey Hayley.
Hi Alex.
All the way from New Zealand. And Hayley's got a bit of a story. When did you start with me, Hayley?
I started with you mid-July.
Mid-July this year, okay. And yes, sort of on the spot. I mean, when you joined us, where were you at that point with Amazon? Did you know much about it? Were you a complete beginner? I mean, what's your background?
Complete beginner, yep. In fact, I was working as a personal trainer, which I have done for many years in Auckland, New Zealand. But yeah, absolute beginner with Amazon. But I was looking around, and obviously there are a lot of opportunities out there, but Alex was the one that, you just seemed really genuine, and I wanted to work with the person who was telling me, how to do everything. I didn't want to be lost in a big group, so.
Yeah, okay, awesome. And you've got your product as well. Your first product is launched, and it's selling?
It's selling, yes. Yeah, I'm super happy with that. And I mean, honestly, I could not have done it without Alex because, it is a bit tricky.
Yeah, well, it is for beginners, that's right. And we actually launched your first product for you.
Yes, you did.
That's right. So, and that's great. So you've actually come a long way in your journey in a time span, haven't you? Like in a very short time span in terms of launching a product. But you are on your second product right now.
Yes, yep, so working on the second product. Yep. But yeah, so lucky enough to have sold out. I'm pretty happy about that.
Yeah,
sold out of my first product. Did not see that happening, but
that's good. Well, and so that's your first product. So what is your goal for basically 2020? What are you looking to do? You're looking to build a product empire?
Yeah, coming into Christmas next year, I want to have 20 products going into Christmas next year.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. And what's your dream like in terms of, you want to be the dominant baby person, or do you want to have a pet niche, or do you want to be in homewares or kitchens? Or
toys and games and baby. Yeah.
Okay, because you've got a toddler yourself, and you can sort of...
Well, not a preschooler. Well, no, actually he's at school now. He's just started school, so 5-year-old and a 7-year-old. So yeah. They're enjoying the samples.
Awesome. Yeah, take it to the preschool. The preschools will love that little sample.
Actually, I have. I've sold some of my product at preschools.
Awesome. That's really good. See, Hayley's in New Zealand, guys. It doesn't really matter where you are in the world. I mean, I know you're stocking in Amazon Australia.
Yeah.
And hopefully next year, America.
Yeah.
And so let's just launch that empire.
Yeah. I'm actually in the process of being verified in the UK as well.
Oh, well, it's fantastic. All right, so you have your brand, because Hayley's got your own brand, which is really the goal with Amazon. Is you want to build your own brand and have your own sort of your own seller sort of empire, and then have it in different countries: USA, Australia, UK, Germany, all these countries. Yeah. So, thank you so much, Hayley.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you taking the time to do this and coming to the training. It's good seeing you.
It's been amazing, and one thing I'd like to say, it works. No one really knows until they have a product up there, and it works. It's like someone knocking on your door every couple of hours. Here's $20, here's $50, here's $100. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. And Alex and Peter are amazing.
Thank you.
And I mean, look at this face. Honestly, you have to trust this guy. He's just...
Well, I am trustworthy.
That's it, absolutely. Yeah, I certainly do. So, yeah, highly recommend them.
Awesome. Thanks, Hayley. Thanks, guys. See you later.